Very happy morning to you, my dear students. Today, you are going to write value education paper. Okay, so for value education for standard 4, we are going to understand the question paper before you start writing the paper. So student, this is the question paper that you have received today. So the date is already there, but you have to write this in the आंसर शीट. तो आपको आंसर शीट लेना है और उस पे लिखना है. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू राइट, डोंट फॉरगेट योर नेम, क्लास, डिवीजन, डेट ऑन एवरी पेज एंड राइट द क्वेश्चंस आल्सो इन द आंसर शीट. क्वेश्चंस कॉपी करना है आपको. सो आई विल गाइड यू. इट इज फॉर 60 मार्क्स and the date is given so that you can copy it correctly, and please send it before 8 p.m. Clear students? So first question, state whether the following statements are true or false. आपको you will write question 1, you will copy the sentences और फिर आपको लिखना है true या false. So don't just write one true, second false. Don't give it that way. I will not be in a position to give you marks. So please follow the instruction. Number 1, cooperation does not give a solution to any problem. True or false? Number 2, nature's gift to humankind is priceless. Number 3, trees help in cleaning the pollutant air. Number 4, we should be impolite to everyone. Number 5, kind words work as medicines to sadness. Number 6, being calm is best way for self-control. Number 7, anger destroys our inner power and strength. Number 8, we should never learn self-control. Number 9, Mahatma Gandhi had taught us the lessons of truth and non-violence. So is it true or false? You will copy the sentence and you will write the answer. Number 10, freedom of thought is very important. Okay, freedom of thought is very important. Now question number 2. Write a commitment for each of the following values. तो आपको सिंपैथी दिखाना है तो कौन सी कमिटमेंट, व्हाट विल बी योर प्रॉमिस? यू विल राइट वन प्रॉमिस. ओके, अ कमिटमेंट टू शो सिंपैथी, अ कमिटमेंट टू शो कोऑपरेशन. आप कोऑपरेट कैसे करोगे? एक प्रॉमिस, वन कमिटमेंट यू हैव टू राइट. अ कमिटमेंट टू शो सेल्फ कंट्रोल, अ कमिटमेंट टू शो पोलाइटनेस, अ कमिटमेंट टू शो your love for nature. So you have learned it. So write it very neatly. It carries 10 marks. So you have to write that very correctly without mistake. Question 3. Put tick in the box if you agree. आप ये मानते हो ऐसा करना चाहिए. You put a tick and with the statement and put a cross if you disagree. Okay. First one. We should respect work done by all. हमको सबको respect करना है. If you agree, what you will do? You will copy this sentence and then you will make a box and you will put that right or wrong. Next, we should love nature and take care of it. Trees increase the amount of harmful gas in the air. Animals are losing their homes because of deforestation. And number 5, I should always ask maid to keep all my things. I don't need the care of anybody. Is it true? When I am upset, I seek elders' guidance. Is it true or false? I should not fight with my classmates. You agree with it? You put a tick mark. If you don't agree, you put a cross mark. It is okay to do backbiting about others. You agree or disagree? Sick people need medicines and not care. Do you think so? You have to write there, tick if you agree with it. Next, question 4. Answer the following questions. What message do trees give out to the children? What is the message trees is giving to the children? So what you will do, question 4 and you will write answer 1 और आपको direct answer लिखना है. Answer 2 and you will write the answer. Okay? So here you will not copy the question. Question के number लिख के answer लिख दोगे. Why is Gandhiji called the father of the nation? What does the monkey with the covered mouth advise? And question 4, name 6 beautiful things around you. Okay, so it is carrying 12 marks, so you will write it very nicely and complete. Don't leave anything because you will lose your marks. Next, question 5. Complete the following statements with the option given in the box below. So these are the options. आपको ये sentence लिखना है. You will write it and you will select the correct one and complete it. Okay. So is an inexpensive way of making friends. I can remove ceaseless suffering of the world. Have wings and cherish the creation of God. To make life and love progress and our lives worth living. Plant trees, love others besides himself. I am able to choose what is good and do it. So which one goes with which value, that you have to match. Being a sympathetic person, you will select from here and complete it. Being in self-control, my goal is, what is your goal from here? Select and write. Having imagination, I can select and write. Showing politeness, being in freedom, man in nature. So you will complete it. Now the question number 6. Match the following values with the commitment. तो imagination के साथ कौन सा आएगा? Self control, sympathy, politeness, love, nature and cooperation. You will copy this side same to same, but this side आपको correct वाला answer उस order में लिखना है. Clear children? I celebrate plantation day by planting a plant. I would help people in need. I will not react instantly in any situation. I will always try to enhance the beauty of the world. I will help my mother with the household chores and I will speak softly to everyone. So I hope you will do the paper. Don't leave the paper incomplete. All the best. God bless you all.